Hi boys and girls, Ms. Pickowitz with your writing letter lesson for Tuesday, September 8th. And this week, well, not this week we're going to learn two letters. So last week we focused on T, uppercase T and lowercase t. So today and tomorrow we're going to work on B. The letter B. B says blah, like bee, bumble, balloon, let's see, bear, bunny. B is in a lot of words, and we're going to learn to write both the uppercase and lowercase b today. This is the uppercase, this is the lowercase. But today we're only going to practice the uppercase on our assignment. We're going to write both letters on our writing paper. And then tomorrow, when you're working on your independent day, you're going to work on practicing the assignment for the lowercase b. So this one you'll do tomorrow. So let's start with practicing our uppercase B. So when we write our uppercase B, make sure you have your plastic writing paper and make sure you have your expo marker. And we're going to get our paper and we're going to start at the skyline, and we're going to make a line, one line that goes all the way down to the grass line. So start at the skyline, make a line that goes all the way down to the grass line. Ms. Pickowitz needs a new one. Alright, sorry about that. So we're going to start at the skyline, and we're going to make a line that goes all the way down to the grass line. Just like that. Then you're going to go to the skyline, and you're going to make like a half a circle. So you're going to make a hump. You're going to start at the skyline and make a hump that goes around and stops on the plane line. Like that. See if I can make it a little bit darker. Okay. Then you're going to go back to the plane line, and you're going to stay there, and you're going to go another hump, make another hump that goes around and stops at the grass line. So that's two humps. Let's do another one. Put a finger space so they're not too close together. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line and stop. Then start at the skyline, make a hump, stops at the plane line, and then start at the plane line, make another hump that stops at the grass line. So your B's should look like that. Okay, and you're going to practice these on your paper. So let's do one more, and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing while I'm doing it, but I'm going to hold the paper down and I'll show you when I'm done. So you do it with me. So start at the skyline, go down to the grass line and stop. Then make a hump starting at the skyline and go to the plane line and stop. Then we're going to make another hump, and we're going to start at the plane line, and we're going to go down to the grass line, and we're going to stop. Just like that. Okay? And that is how you write an uppercase B. So you're going to practice in a little while on your other paper, on this paper, Right now, we're going to talk a little bit about the letter B. Because B, we just said oh, basket, butter, bubble. So, say with me, good. We are going to read a book called Bubble Bear. And when we're done reading Bubble Bear, I want you to see if you can make your own circle map. So when you make a circle map, you get a piece of paper. So when you make a bubble map, a circle map, you're going to write, an adult might have to help you, the letter B in the middle. Draw a circle around it. And if your adult wants to help you do it, so you're going to do that. And then you're going to draw a big circle that takes up almost all of your paper. Like that. And then when you hear words that start with a B from the story, you think of your own B words, you can write them inside a circle map. Okay? And you can make your own B circle map at home. I'm going to start Bubble Bear, and the author and the illustrator. The author is Maxwell Higgins, so he wrote all the words. And the illustrator is Maxie Chambliss, and she drew the pictures to Bubble Bear. So let's listen to see how many letters we can hear start with B. Bear was the best bubble blower on his block. Bear could blow great big bubbles. Bear could blow itsy bitsy bubbles. Bear could even blow a bubble beard. Bear could blow lots of bubble shapes too. Bear could blow a bubble bell and a bubble birthday cake and a bubble bunny and of course a bubble bear. One day Badger saw Bear blowing bubbles. Badger was a bully. Everyone on the block was afraid of her. Only babies blow bubbles, Badger told Bear. But Bear kept right on blowing. He blew and blew until he had blown a great big bubble beast. Ah! Yelled Badger. She ran behind a bush. Only babies are afraid of bubbles, Bear told Badger. Bear, I am sorry I called you a baby, said Badger. Will you show me how you blow such beautiful bubbles? So, Bear showed Badger how to blow big bubbles and itsy bitsy bubbles. He showed her how to blow a bubble beard, a bubble bell, and a bubble birthday cake. He showed her how to blow a bubble bunny, a bubble bear, and a bubble badger. Bear even showed Badger how to blow a great big bubble beast. And that is the end. So I want you to think about how many words you heard in the story. You can go back and listen to it again and pause it. You can also pause it on this picture and see how many things in this picture that start with the letter B. And there's a lot. The picture has quite a few things that start with the letter B. And I also want you to, if you can, if your adult was able to help you draw a bubble map, fill in the bubble map and write some words that start with, have your adult write the words. You tell them the words and have them write it. I'd start with B. For your writing practice today, you're going to practice writing your uppercase B. Then you're also going to color and cut and glue the B pictures. So you're going to cut these pictures out, and then you're going to only glue the ones that start with the B in the boxes on the bus. And you're also, because we got a lot of B work to do since we didn't have school yesterday, because then we're going to do a little bit of B tomorrow on your Independent Day, and then we do F on Thursday and Friday. So then you're also going to do the B says B like bananas. And you're going to write B a couple more times. It's okay to practice it a lot. B is a kind of tricky letter. And then you're going to color and cut out these squares on the bottom. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And you're going to glue the pictures in the boxes that start with B, but there's only 3 squares. So you're going to decide if the balloon starts with B, leaf starts with B, bear starts with B, and butterfly. And the ones that start with B, you glue in here. And that's your work for today. So you have some work to do for writing. You got to do the bus sheet, the banana sheet, practice your uppercase B sheet, and then tell the adult, your adult, some letters, some words from the story that start with the letter B. So that is your writing and letter lesson for the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.